This is the Logitech K350 Pebble mouse. This mouse takes a single AA battery that distributes the weight of the mouse evenly. It's a very well-balanced mouse. This is the slot to store its USB-A receiver. Note, this is not a Logitech unifying receiver for us to pair with multiple devices. This USB receiver only works with this particular mouse. This Logitech Pebble mouse comes with Logitech next generation quiet click mouse buttons. Have a listen. The scroll wheel only has a center click button and doesn't tilt left or right for side scrolling. It has a 1000 dpi tracking sensor and an on-off switch at the bottom. This mouse can connect to a computer using the USB receiver and another device using Bluetooth. And this is the button to switch between the two. Green light is for USB receiver connection. Blue light is for the Bluetooth connection. Blinking means attempting to connect. Steady light means it's connected. Fast blinking means it's pairing. What I really like is how slim this mouse is and how pocketable it is. I also like the back part of this mouse slightly raised to cradle the inner part of my palm. The mouse is surprisingly precise when it comes to click and drag gestures. Like this video so I know how many of you find it useful. Follow me on my Amazon store for more tech gear I recommend. Thanks!